And by the way, it's not Chevy orange, it's Hemi orange.
Why would we paint it Hemi orange?
That's the only color we know how to paint. Being a slant six race engine, I think I should move it back a little bit more.
Okay. Move back another,
Quarter inch?
no, another more.
So, what was the first thing you thought when you saw your truck before you bought it?
It was a slant six.
That's the first thing?
Yeah.
Racing.
Race.
Did you race that? You didn't race that all back then, did you? Or
No, it
were
was a
you?
tow vehicle.
Okay.
Now, I heard that you used to tow a trailer and a race car with us,
I did,
with the slant six.
with a slant six,
So why'd you stop doing it?
because I couldn't get up my hill anymore.
Yeah,
I didn't have enough oomph,
not enough power.
not enough power. I was gonna change the gears, which meant changing the rear end.
So, when did you pull out the original motor out of it then?
The original motor came out, I don't know, I put a V8 in it.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, I put a V8 in it, and I made a mistake. I bought too new of an engine, and I couldn't get it through the DEQ. So I pulled the engine back out, put another six in, and gave it to my daughter.
Okay. And then did you buy another truck for a tow vehicle? Or?
I did.
Yeah.
I bought a 76 Dodge pickup with a 360 in it.
There you go.
Something you could actually tow
Yeah.
with.
So, what did your daughter do with the truck?
She hit a snowbank.
Is that what the duct tape's from?
Yeah, she hit a snowbank. She hit a piling in the parking lot.
Hit a lot.
And then she let the engine freeze, physically cold freeze and cracked it.
Oh, man.
And so I towed it, we went down to visit one time, and I loaded a slant six in the back of my sedan, and we changed the engine.
Nice.
Yeah. And you see, and then I drove it home and gave it to my brother.
And that's how it ended up over here in Spokane.
Yeah.
Yep, and then I bought it from your brother, and then you guys found the original motor.
I had the original motor, it was in pieces in my garage. And so you wanted the original motor, so Dave offered to rebuild it.
Yep,
Convenient having it close to your place.
Yeah. But it'll be nice because we're going to be putting the original matching motor with the truck. And basically everything related to the truck will all be as matching as when it came.
Yeah, I was trying to find the VIN on there. I don't know where they stamped the VIN. It might have been. Did you deck it? Or it might have been on this rail right here. It just got painted over.
So Darrik, what's your plans for it?
We're going to put the new motor in, which will help give it a little bit more power.
Should give it a lot more.
We have the hood scoop that we put on, and then we're going to paint the hood scoop, fix the grill, and just kind of make it into a bit of a hot rod. These aren't very common trucks, especially this year, especially with a slant six.
And a short box.
Yeah,
That's kind of neat.
so it's already kind of unique in its own way, but we can do some stuff to spice it up and modernize it a bit more than just an old farm truck as some people see it at this point just due to its age.
It'll be neat to see it transition when you take the standard ugly wheels off of it and put center lines on it. That'll make it look nice. And the paint and everything. And with more power.
The engine had what, 87,000?
86,000.
Yeah, there was absolutely no taper in the bores, so we didn't have to bore it. We put new rings in the pistons, and the crankshaft looked like brand new. We polished it. The heads, that was that was the easiest valve job every day because there's no wear on it. I just touched it just a hair, it was done.
Yeah, insurance was fighting me on it. You sure it's not 100,000, 180,000 or whatever? And I was like, I'm pretty sure it's under 100,000.
And then we stuck an Oregon cam in, get a little more poop, and we decked the head 60,000s, and should make a good runner.
One of the reasons I bought it, because I was working at the time. I worked on a dredge, which I had to chase. And so with the slant six and the overdrive, it got 25 miles to the gallon.
Nice.
It was
Oh, the
For a
80s.
truck, back in those days, that was crazy.
Oh yeah, truck nowadays that's still good.
That's really good for a truck nowadays.
Until you come to a hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it doesn't go very
And then the
fast.
vacuum went to zero and the timing went away.
And by the way, it's not Chevy orange, it's Hemi orange.
Why would we paint it Hemi orange?
That's the only color we know how to paint.
We were in a gas station on the way here, and it was in the back of the truck there, and a guy in a Chevy pickup started talking about it, and we think he thought it was a Chevy engine, because it was orange.
Inline six Chevy, yeah.
Funny.
Let's stand it up a little more.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's just, it got rotated in the stand.
Nope, that's cool. We hope to get it in by, summer next year. We've got a shoot coming up with the Spokane Hot Rod Girls doing a poster for Dave Mueller Race Engines. The whole team will be here, most of them. We'll do the poster, and that should be the last poster we do for Unc. So, other than that,
Discontinuing that, huh?
And the last thing, Doug says the warranty is up.
I'm waiting for the holes that he drilled for the hood scoop to, see if they last. The warranty for the hood.
See how many
the
of them
holes.
match.
It'll be fun seeing it wake up a little bit and clean it up, make it look like our rod. So, well, thanks, Unc and Doug for coming over and helping put the hood scoop on. And we had to make sure Doug drilled the first hole since it was his truck. We appreciate it. Like I say, it's kind of nerve wracking when you got to put a hood scoop on something it may be faded, but it's still a perfect hood. When you start drilling holes, you kind of second guess and question yourself whether you want to do it or not. But I think the end result's going to be fun with it all blacked out and the hood scoop and the new wheels and make it look good. So, and it's not like you're using it to go to work and everything. So.
Yeah.
Being a slam six race engine, I think I should move it back a little bit more.
Okay. Move back another,
Quarter inch?
no,
Now you're gonna ask for a punch.
Were you not prepared, Derwood? Dark?
Now you need to go through both of them, don't you?
To hard.
I didn't even realize that was.
Well, it's got a little bumper, so we can get in the middle of that. Your little bib. It's gonna get covered up anyway. Can we see a mark there?
yeah, but you didn't get the center.
That was an easy one. Which side did I put the other one in?
Right here, right here.
Okay.
Doug, you wanna get your finger on? Cut.
Check, make sure that.
Yep.
There's two marks here, Dave.
Good old bit.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see how we looking up and down wise.
That don't matter. It's a sheet, man.
Okay.
And you don't lock it.
So I'm trying not to go deeper than I wanted to.
Ta-da!
There.
That's the beauty of it all.
All good? All done? That's quick. Okay.
Look about right.
Yep. Oh, I'm on. Really?
Yeah, that's it.
Bing, bing.
Wait. What's going on?
Wait, we just went.
So there you go. Really got an angle. We need to come this way.
There?
Yep. Jesus.
There we go. Back in.
Now, can you wiggle over there, Derwood?
Which one is it? This one?
Yeah, back in, way in the back there.
It's in line with the other one.
Okay.
The top hole's not too bad to get.
Hey, be careful, you got that.
Okay.
Okay, now push it away from yourself.
Like that?
Too much, right there.
One more. Right here.
they're a little bit oversized, so you have to do them.
Remember that one, Darrik, is that handle?
Yeah.
I didn't have one.
You haven't seen enough videos yet.
Okay.
Close. Dark.